Hi, welcome to Bauer. Now that you have your braces on, we're going to review what's in your braces care kit. You'll find a foods list, toothbrush and toothpaste, floss, a proxy brush, wax, a hygiene guide, and a mouthguard for sports. Now let's talk about brushing with braces. When brushing, you're going to want to brush in circular motions on top of the braces and the bottom of the braces, applying just enough pressure for those bristles to go underneath your wire. You're going to want to brush for 3 minutes 3 times a day and brush the gum line to prevent any swollen gums. Now let's talk about how to floss with your braces. Using super floss, you're going to take the stiff end of the thread, insert it underneath your wire gently, and you'll pull through using the spongy part of the floss to floss tooth by tooth. If you have trouble flossing, you are more than welcome to use a water pick to help aid with regular flossing. Now let's talk about using your proxy brush. You'll use it between the wire and the braces to loosen food particles, remove plaque, and stimulate your gums. If it's hard to push into any area, don't try to force it because you might accidentally break a bracket. Okay, now let's talk about wax. This is going to be your best friend if you ever have a wire poking you or if a bracket is rubbing against your cheek, which can cause a canker sore. You're going to take a small piece of wax, roll it into a ball, and make sure the area is nice and dry so the wax can stick. You can wear it as long as you want and reapply it as many times as you need, but just make sure you remove it before eating. As a normal part of your orthodontic treatment, you might experience discomfort and after each adjustment as well. If that happens, you can take Tylenol or Motrin or whatever your parents are comfortable giving you if you have any soreness from your braces. General things you may encounter. You may notice blue bumps on the biting surfaces of your upper molars. Those are bite buildups. These are temporary, but they will be used to prevent you from biting on your brackets during treatment. If wax doesn't help, please give us a call or text the office and we will appoint you to come in for a wire clip. Because we start with a very thin wire, oftentimes it pops in and out of the brackets. You have 3 options. Try to replace it yourself, call us to place it back, or leave it if it's not bothering you. Now let's talk about the types of foods to avoid. I know it's sad, but we want to stay away from anything hard, crunchy, sticky, and chewy. And it's best to avoid sugary foods along with soda to prevent cavities. Eating these types of foods can apply too much pressure on the bracket, causing it to pop off, and we want to prevent from keeping you in braces longer. If you do break a bracket, this is not an emergency. Oftentimes we can see you when your next appointment is, but if it is bothering you, we are more than welcome to help you. So that's it. Congratulations on getting your braces. I hope life with braces treats you well, and if you have any questions or concerns, make sure to text us or give us a call.